we did get throughout the year incredible turmoil around Luna, Terra, Celsius, 3AC, FTX, and so forth, and a really big black eye. But if you look at what caused the black eye, it was not Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those blockchains didn't skip a beat, didn't miss one transaction. And what we saw were the centralized entities touching crypto.
Hey guys, welcome back to Library of Wealth. Today we have the latest interview with the CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, giving us a market update, as well as how crypto and innovation will completely change the market in 2023. Since the FTX collapse, we've seen quite a shift in the crypto market, and now investors are wondering what opportunities will present themselves this year. Cathie Wood gives us a few of those as she talks about why many people are moving their holdings and diversifying their portfolios even further than before. Even though it's been an extended and brutal bear market, we're starting to see massive opportunity in some key sectors in the first month of the year. Let's get right into the latest interview with Cathie Wood as she talks about her outlook for 2023. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content we do here on this channel. Let's get right into the video.
FTX, 3AC, Celsius, other hedge funds imploding. Why? They're centralized, not transparent, and there's no liquidity in them. Whereas if you look at what happened on Ethereum, the smart contracts, as trouble was looming, smart contract related margin calls, they were satisfied. Boom, boom, boom. No questions asked, no legal haggles. It just worked. And I think that will be the lesson coming out of this. And it is very interesting to note that Sam Bankman-Fried didn't like Bitcoin. And he didn't like it, I may have said this last month, he didn't like it because it's decentralized, fully transparent, and he couldn't control it. He considered himself the master of the crypto universe, which, of course, the market has disabused him and others of. One of the reasons I wanted to feature some things that have happened around innovation last year is because investors aren't taking note. And it is pretty astonishing. If we were in a bull market for growth stocks, innovation portfolios would be soaring on the type of news that I'm about to give you. Artificial intelligence, the breakthroughs here are absolutely mind-blowing. Check out ChatGPT. This is a derivative, I believe, of GPT-3, an OpenAI service. And what you can do is prompt ChatGPT to write an essay on the history of space exploration. And boom, less than a minute, it's there. And it's pretty well written too, and I'm a stickler on writing. Now, many people are horrified at this thought and what it means for education, but we're not. Because the reason it's able to do this is it scours the internet from the beginning of internet time and writes the essay. Well, guess what? Yes, the internet includes a lot of facts and figures, but it also includes misinformation as well as creative writing and science fiction. So the history of space exploration is going to have all kinds of mistakes associated with misinformation or creativity. And so it's going to change education. There will be a lot more fact checking if a student decides to have ChatGPT write an essay. But we already know that ChatGPT is scoring better than the national average on the SATs. And it's going to get better with time.
ChatGPT is one of the newest and most talked about AI platforms we've seen yet. Since 2019, Microsoft has invested $3 million in OpenAI as they expand capabilities for ChatGPT. Microsoft is now poised to challenge big tech competitors like Google, Amazon, and Apple with a technological advantage the company hasn't possessed for more than 2 decades. Microsoft is in talks to invest another $10 billion in OpenAI as it seeks to push the technology even further.
There's another app that's out there called Lensa AI, put out by Stable Diffusion, And within, I think it was in 5 days, it got 1 million users. This app creates many profile pictures for anyone, just based on searching your Facebook and other social presence. We also have DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is, again, with a prompt. You can say, I'd like to see pictures of myself in all kinds of sports forms. And boom, 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 populated very, very quickly. And by our estimates, some of its output today, and it's going to get better, would probably cost $150 to $300 and take 4 hours or more for an artist to draw. And this took, just a few minutes. So what we believe is going to happen is that artificial intelligence is the equivalent of the assembly line for the Industrial Revolution. But this is the knowledge revolution. And try these out yourself. You'll see how powerful they are. And we're hearing programmers say that you have to know how to program if you're going to do this, but it saves them 50% of their time. So it's really astonishing what's going on. Some of the other examples out there, connected TV. Many people seem to think that TV has, gone out of style, that everybody's just on mobile phones. And yet connected TV advertising did very well last year, in a terrible year for advertising. So linear TV advertising was down 2% last year. Connected TV advertising was up 14% last year. This is what usually happens during a period of disruptive innovation. The winner, the disruptor, usually takes massive share in a down market. And talk about down market. Connected TV has been hostage to the scatter market, which is the most discretionary ad bucket. It was down 38% in the third quarter last year. And connected TV advertising was up well into the double digits. Social commerce is taking share from e-commerce. So e-commerce was the disruptor, and now social commerce is taking share.
Cathie Wood has been one of the biggest proponents for innovation, and now we're seeing more and more companies start to roll out some of the biggest projects yet. Cathie also sees cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum as huge opportunities this year as well. Despite the FTX collapse, the two dominant crypto assets didn't miss a beat, which speaks to the longevity and durability of the main players in the space. What do you think of Cathie Wood's prediction for the future of the crypto industry and where AI and innovation is headed in 2023? Comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Library of Wealth. We'll see you in the next video.